Today in our class we will discuss about Mediterranean climatic regions. Okay, so let's start. The Mediterranean climatic regions located in the regions between 30 degree to 45 degree latitude in the western margin of the continent. Okay, and this climatic region named Mediterranean for its wide extensions around the Mediterranean Sea. And these Mediterranean regions include the Mediterranean coastal strip of Europe. In Europe, it's included with Italy, France, Spain, Portugal, Greece, Yugoslavia. And in Asia, it is including Turkey, Israel, Syria, Lebanon. And in Africa, it includes in Egypt, Libya, Algeria, Morocco. Okay. Beside this, California of North America, Central Chiles of South America, Cape Town regions of Southwest Africa, and Southeast and Southwest of Australia also have this type of climate. Okay. Now we will discuss about the climate. These regions have some major characteristics like summer are very hot and dry, but winter are mild and moist. That means in winter these regions are getting rainfall and it's regions getting moderate rainfall like 85 centimeter to 100 centimeter, and usually the average temperature does not fall below 10 degrees centigrade, and a large amount of sunshine especially in the summer is experienced in this region. Okay, now here we discuss about the temperature. Mediterranean climatic regions is noted for mild summer and mild winter. Okay, and here the average temperature in summer is 20 degree to 26 degree centigrade, and in winter temperature is 5 degree to 10 degree centigrade. Okay, and in this region temperature generally does not fall below the freezing point, and sometimes its fall of temperature below freezing point is limited to a few minutes or to few hours only. And in these regions as you know that it's only getting rainfall in the winter season, so that's why here the annual rainfall is between 65 degree centimeter to 100 centimeter. Okay, and here the only winter rainfall is the main characteristics of Mediterranean climate. Here it is occur between December to March in northern hemisphere and between May to September in southern hemisphere. The most westerlies bring this region this rainfall associated with some cyclonic storm. And here some you have to know remember some important local wind, that is like number 1 Sirocco, that is a hot wind, Mistral is a cold wind, Tramontana is a cold wind, and Gurgala is another cold wind blow in this region. Okay, now we will discuss about the biodiversity. First, natural vegetation. The main climatic characteristics of Mediterranean regions is the winter is mild and moist, but summer are hot and dry. So that's why plants are mainly grow in winter season because they getting rainfall in this time, and that's why. But the summer seasons are very hot and dry. So we see there are the loss of moisture during the summer. They feel drought. Okay, so that's why this in these regions plant are adapted there through which the plant check the excessive transmission during the summer drought. So that's why they have different type of characteristics, like few plants have the leathery thick leaves, few plant have waxy leaves, few plant have the silky hair covered with them. Okay, and here some important typical trees are oak, cork oak, chestnut, fig, olive, and some shrubs types of trees also found there like laurel, lavender, thymes. Okay, and here mainly this region is famous for the fruit cultivation. The citrus type of fruits is found in these regions like vines, that means grapes, orange, lemon, peach, pears, apricot, olives, and almond. Okay. Now we will discuss about the wildlife. These regions have the lack of grassland, so that's why they are not possible or unsuitable for animal rearing. But in some places, cattle rearing is there, and horse, goats, sheep are also reared in some place. And here, merino sheep are reared, and camels are raised in semi-arid part. Okay. Now we will discuss about the socio-economic environment and lifestyles of Mediterranean climatic regions. The first we see the orchard farming and fruit trade. The Mediterranean land is famous for fruit. Okay, fruits growing has developed as a special branch of agriculture in this region. Here some important fruits are like olives, lemon, grapes, orange, peach, sweet figs, apricot, almond. All are grown in the orchard. Okay, so this is the main you can say main industry, main agriculture of this region. Number 2, agriculture. Here the main important crops grow in this region is wheat, but in some places is with the help of irrigations. Some places is also grow like cotton, maize, barley. Some places also grow silkworm. Okay. Next, mineral well. This region is not rich in mineral resource, but some places found coal. In like California is noted for mineral oil. Iron ore is mined in Spain, and mercury and marble and sulfur in Italy. Gold in California. Okay. Now next we discuss about industry. The lack of the raw materials, there are no such a big industries there, but with the help of fruits there are so many fruit industry, and with the help of grapes there are the wine making industries is also there, and other industries like olive oil making, fruit canning, silk manufacturing, cotton textile, light engineering, handicraft is also there. Okay. Now here some important points from the industries are like, you have to remember, California has some of the largest oil refiners in the world, and the clear sunny weather of the Mediterranean land favor for film industry. Okay, the great film industry of the world are located around Hollywood in California, and this region is also famous for tourist industry. Okay. Now we will discuss about the populations and town. This region, Mediterranean climatic region, is moderately high populated region, and because of the pleasant and healthy climate, and here some important civilizations is also grow there, and some you have to remember some great civilizations of the world such as Greek, Roman, Egypt civilizations have flourished in this region. And here some important cities is like Rome in Italy, Athens in Greece, Los Angeles in California, Perth in Western Australia, Adelaide in Southeast Australia, Cape Town in South Africa, Lisbon in Portugal are the very important city in the world. Okay, so this is. Thank you everyone. I hope you understood. If you have any queries, please let me know. Thank you.